deep watering is really important with vegetable plants, but a lot of times the surface of the soil will get a crust on it that won't let you get the water through. It'll just want to run off. So here's a way that I use to try and deep water my vegetable plants. I take a milk carton that's empty that I've rinsed out, and I put a little hole here in the bottom. It doesn't have to be very big, maybe 1/8 of an inch in diameter like that. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that milk carton and put it here next to the plant I wanna water, and then just go ahead and fill it up. I will fill this with a gallon of water, and it'll take it 5 or 10 minutes to empty out. And that then lets the water soak in instead of running off. Every day you can go out and just fill up all your milk cartons if you have one next to each plant that you want to water, and you get deep watering of that plant every day.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.